patternless leopard gecko eating a cicada I caught since it flew right at me. Should have seen the battle. It was an epic battle earlier. Grabbed its wing and it just went bzzz really fast, and yeah, she subdued it enough to be able to do this. Hold on, this is going to get a little shaky in a minute. And I apologize for that. There we go. Ah, no, I don't want reflection on the glass. Ah, how do I get rid of that light? So remove that. Oop. Let's see. Okay. Let me see if I can reconfigure this thing's mobile little tripod quickly enough. Ah. There we go. Bye-bye, cicada. So it's like, ooh. Much different from crickets. Patternless leopard gecko. For the first time in my life, I get to keep a reptile that's a pet. I used to try to keep salamanders and things like that as pets, but they never lived for very long. And the minute they started acting like they weren't going to survive, I let them go. This little patternless leopard gecko sure enjoyed that cicada. She's like, oh, that was delicious. Gourmet. Pretty like, Any more of this? I guess that's a leopard gecko's way of saying that was delicious. And that is how a leopard gecko eats a cicada.